Cat Ninja. Book 8, Time Heist.
Monday, the Electric Eel.
Ooh, tingly.
Tuesday, Mecha Meccano, the Mecha Man.
Ooh, bendy.
Wednesday, Rhino Blasty.
Ooh, ouchie.
Thursday, expired parking meter.
Ooh, pricey.
Friday,
More bad guys? There's a new one every day. What's the matter?
the Greenery Gang. Later that day,
Buddy, you've got to be more careful.
Lots of bad guys.
Yeah, and the strange thing is, it's like they're only after you.
What's that?
Stay still a second.
Mr. Squeaks! You are not doing some weird experiment on Hoot, are you?
No?
I'm an experiment.
Fine, yes, I'm running an experiment.
She's a baby owl.
She's a baby owl with super strength. Am I the only one here who wants to find out why? And isn't anyone curious why Captain Hairball has been so busy lately? It's a new villain every day. Someone's behind it all, and while I appreciate the effort, believe me, I do, I can't help but connect the dots. That this all started the day Hoot showed up. What if she's a secret weapon?
Yeah.
Or a spy?
Yeah.
What if she's not even an owl?
Yeah, what if? Aw, nuts.
Hey! Electro brain monitors don't come cheap, you know.
name, Elon Mollusk. Occupation, villainous information broker. Notes, he knows everybody. Later, in a distant mountain range, one at a time. Welcome to Mollusks. Next. Anything to declare?
No freeze rays, sword canes, or knife boots allowed.
Quiet one, eh? Guess he thinks he's too good to chat with the muscle, eh?
The nerve of some supervillains these days.
Go fish.
Not again.
Welcome, welcome. What a bunch of ne'er-do-wells and crooks. I'm honored. Wait a minute. A new face. I don't know you, do I? And yet you seem somehow familiar. Silent master of crime. Where have I heard that before? It's on the tip of my tongue. Nope, it's gone. Enjoy yourself, Mr. Crimer. Here at Mollusks, you're rubbing elbows with the worst of the worst. Make sure you try the cheesy dip. It's divine. Back at apartment 33F.
Okay, don't move.
Not moving.
Steady. Steady.
Still not moving.
Mr. Squeaks, what are you doing?
We're playing?
I'm a scientific mystery.
You are not a mystery, Hoot. You're a wonderful, bright baby owl. It's Mr. Squeaks who is the mystery.
Listen, I ran some tests on Hoot's eggshell, and do you know what I found? Chronal energy! Do you know what chronal energy is?
Well, chrono sounds like Chronos. So I'm guessing it has to do with time.
Oh, okay, you do know. Geez, schools are good these days. Chronal energy is time energy, and Hoot's egg was supercharged with it.
Is Hoot going to be okay?
I'm supercharged.
Physically, she's fine. Better than fine. Super strength, impenetrable shell armor. Her only weakness is when she exerts herself too much. She gets extremely exhausted. It's like she's coming down from a sugar rush. But none of that explains how her egg got bombarded with so much chronal energy.
Marcy, I'm home. Oh no, it's Mom. Mr. Squeaks, you gotta hide Hoot and all this stuff.
Hide and seek.
Seriously, all this hiding and seeking is getting really old.
We'll tell her everything soon, I promise. It's just hard to explain that one pet's a mastermind and the other's filled with chronal energy. Not to mention Claude.
Meanwhile, back at Elon Mollusk's secret office.
Did you get lost on your way to the bathroom, Monsieur Crimer? Or should I call you Cat Ninja? Do not deny it. Your disguise may have fooled that giant slug, but you cannot fool Le Chat Noir. The only reason I haven't raised the alarm is because I want to know why you are curious enough to risk coming here. So, let me see if I can guess. You have been, how do you say, up to your whiskers in villains, and you think Mollusk is behind it. Well, I hate to disappoint you, but not 2 days ago I got an offer from someone who calls himself the Cuckoo. $10 million for the famous cat ninja. But I'm a thief, not a bounty hunter. So I turned it down.
Good thing the rest of us aren't so picky. In fact, I think you'll find a whole army of scoundrels here who'd be happy to collect that bounty. Back in apartment 33F.
I don't get why I'm the only one interested in where you came from. You'd think Cat Ninja, of all people, would want to know. And where is he anyway? Probably out chasing 2-bit crooks and having a swell old time. You know what? I give up. If no one else cares, then I don't either.
At last! I have traveled over 1,000 years through time to get here. My name is Cronowl, and I have come to take my daughter home.
To be continued.
Written by Matthew Cody. Illustrated by Chad Thomas. Performed by Taylor Meskimen and Tom Rivera.